is highly irregular.
No, highly irregular is the time I found a human foot in a toaster oven.
I have such sins at my back that it would kill me to turn around.
It's all terribly interesting if one simply pay attention.
You don't have to go through this by yourself.
Join me, Doctor. With me, you will behold terrible wonders. That sounds like a warning.
It's an invitation.
You ready?
So. Excellent.
Hello, Dr. Lecter. My God, I love to see that smile.
You want me? Earn me!
What kind of a man do you want to be? You want to be a good man? A good man feels bad when he does something wrong.
Oh, jeez.
Okay.
Tryggðu þér áskrift að Skjá einum á skjárin.is